In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable Steam Overlay. By the end, you'll know how to turn the Steam Overlay on or off globally for all games, and how to change it for a specific game when you need different behavior. First, let's turn the Steam Overlay on or off globally. Open Steam. On the top left of the Steam window, click Steam, then click Settings. In the Settings window, go to In-Game. Here, you'll see the option labeled Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. Toggle this setting to turn the overlay on or off for every game on your account. Turning it on enables the Shift tab overlay inside games, and turning it off disables it across all titles. Once you've made your choice, close Settings. Your global Steam overlay preference is now saved. Now let's change the overlay for a specific game. Go to Library. In your game list, right-click a game. Click Properties. In the Properties window, find the option Enable Steam Overlay while in-game and toggle it on or off. This setting applies only to the game you selected, so you can keep the overlay enabled for some games and disabled for others, regardless of your global choice. There's nothing else to apply here. The change takes effect immediately. At this point, you've set up the Steam Overlay exactly how you want it, globally through settings and then individually through each game's properties. The task is complete, and the overlay configuration is ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.